Hello students, you are ever welcome to Rana Sar's mathematics classes. Today I am going to discuss about different formulas and examples to find profit and profit percent. Number 1, profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. Number 2, profit percent is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100%. Or you can write sale price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100%. 3. If cost price of X items is equal to sale price of Y items and X greater than Y, then profit percent is equal to X minus Y divided by Y multiplied by 100%. And if X less than Y, then loss percent is equal to Y minus X divided by Y into 100%. 4. If the trader professes or declares to sell his goods at cost price, but he uses false weight, then profit percent will be equal to error divided by true value minus error into 100%. What is error? Actual weight that should be minus false weight. 5. A dishonest shopkeeper cheated X% in purchasing and Y% in selling of the goods. Find his total profit percent. Total profit percent will be equal to X plus Y plus XY by 100%. Example for Formula 1 and 2. A seller purchased pedestal table at rupees 1600 and sells at 1760 rupees. Find profit and profit percent. Profit equal to sale price minus cost price. Sale price 1760 and cost price 1600. So profit is equal to 160 rupees. And profit percent is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100%. This is equal to 160 divided by 1600 into 100% or 10%. Example 3. For trick 3, a shopkeeper sold 10 pens at the purchasing cost of 12 pens. Find his profit percent. Solution by using the trick. Cost price of 12 pence equal to sale price of 10 pence. So X, here X is equal to 12 and Y is equal to 10 and X greater than Y. Profit percent equal to X minus Y divided by Y into 100. This is equal to, for X we write 12 and Y 10. So 12 minus 10 divided by 10 into 100. This is equal to 2 by 10 into 100 and percentage. This is equal to 20%. Second method is lengthy. By using the trick, it is very simple. Second method is given in using unitary method. Let cost price of each pen is equal to rupees K. So cost price of 12 pens is equal. Suppose cost price each pen is equal to X and cost price of 12 pens is equal to 12X. So sale price of 10 pens is equal to 12X. And this implies sale price of 12 pens is equal to 12x divided by 10 into 12. This is equal to 144x by 10. Profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. This is equal to 144 divided by 10 into x minus 12x. This is equal to, the denominator is 10 and numerator will be 144x minus 10 into 12x or 120x. This is equal to 24x by 10. Profit percent will be profit divided by CP into 100%. Profit is equal to 24x by 10 into 100. by Cp is equal to 12x percentage. This will be equal to 20%. Example for trick 4. A dishonest seller professes to sell his goods at cost price, but he uses a weight of 960 gram for 1 kg. Find his profit percent. By using the trick, error in weight is equal to 1 kg minus 960 gram equal to 40 gram. So profit percent equal to error by true value minus error into 100%. Error is equal to 40 gram. True value minus error means 1 kg minus 40 gram is equal to 960 gram into 100%. This is equal to 25 by 6% or 4 whole 1 by 6%. Second method by unitary method. Let cost price for 1 kg or 1000 gram of goods is rupees 1000. Cost price of 960 gram of goods will be 960 rupees. So sale price of 960 gram of goods is equal to cost price of 1000 goods or 1000 rupees. Profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. So 1000 rupee minus 960 rupee equal to 40 rupees. So profit percent equal to profit by Cp into 100% or 40 by 960 into 100%. This is equal to 25 by 6% or 4 whole 1 by 6%. Example for trick 5. A shopkeeper cheated the farmers by 20% while purchasing wheat and cheated 30% while selling. Find his total profit percent. Solution. Using trick. Total profit percent will be x plus y plus xy by 100%. This is equal to 20 plus 30 plus 20 into 30 by 100% or 50 plus 600 divided by 100% or 50 plus 6% or 56%. Second, unitary method. Using unitary method, let the shopkeeper purchase goods for rupees 100. He cheated 20% while purchasing. So he actually purchased good of rupees 100 plus 20 means 120 rupees. Again, he cheated 30% while selling. So he actually sold the goods at 120 rupees plus 30% of 120. That means 120 plus 36 rupees. 30% of 120 is 36. This is equal to 156 rupees. Hence, cost price of goods equal to 100 rupees, but sale price of goods equal to 156 rupees. So profit percent will be profit divided by Cp into 100% or sale price minus cost price by cost price into 100%. 156 minus 100 by 100 into 100%. This is equal to 100 cancel. 156 minus 100 equal to 56. So percentage of profit is equal to 56%. These are two questions for practice. By selling a dozen of pencils, a shopkeeper gains the selling price of 1 dozen pencils. Find his profit percent. Answer is given. A dishonest shopkeeper professes to sell wheat at his cost price but uses a false weight of 950 grams for each kilogram. Find his profit percent. This is 5 whole 5 by 19%. Thank you all. Next video will be about loss and loss percent. You can see next video. Thank you all.